In this video, I will show you how to change voice on Discord Mobile. So the first step is to open the App Store, search for Voice Mod Clips in the search bar, and download the latest version available of Voice Mod. Once you've installed Voice Mod on your mobile, you can open it up to set your profile. You can view all different filters for voices and videos. Now open your Discord app on your mobile phone. Tap on the setting option, which is noted by a cogwheel near your name, and avatar. Now select the voice and video option under the input device. Option select voice, mod, and select headset under the output device option. Now your voice will be filtered through voice mod, and that's it. Now whenever you speak in a voice channel or call, your voice will be filtered through voice mod, giving you a fun and unique sound. This is great for pranking friends, role-playing, or just adding a little fun to your conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool mobile tricks and Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.